Now's the time to put up the panels. Let's go. We're gonna go right over the light switch with that one right there. This is so friggin' annoying. I would literally pay somebody to peel this tape for me right now. Just so I could hang these, peel, hang, faster. Speaking of which, we are hiring. What I'm really looking for right now specifically is somebody who's super analytical. Maybe you love math, data, analyzing statistics. We want to hire an ads manager, and even if you're don't know how to do that, if you're good with data, good with information, excuse me, we can train you. So if you know somebody like that, tell them to give us a call. All right, we need some orange ones now. And old Nicholas hasn't put any stickers on these, or double-sided tape on these ones yet. So let's go. All right, well, I gotta be honest with you, I don't trust this double-sided tape, but it's all I have here, so we'll try it. All right, first orange one's up. Let's go. All right, well, I am running out of tape for orange ones, and I'm running out of time. Gotta get home. But I think this is looking pretty good. I'm excited to see what it looks like finished. Until next time, if you are interested in helping me with this, I could have got this whole wall done if I just had an extra hand peeling tape. I'll give you a shout out all the time on the podcast. Yeah, this wall was beautiful. I know. Thank you for the compliment. And such and such helped me with it. Need some help, man. Gotta get this done faster. Come back.